Heba Abuhussein and Scott McNally with staff at Dr. Tell's office with Frank. We just did a maxillary 4 implant retained denture with Megagen implants and a lower arch chrome with 6 implants. Dr. Hussein, can you tell us how the surgery went, please?
Surgery went really smooth, faster. We were done before I even thought. I mean, we did all these implants in like 2 hours and a half, less than 3 hours. And having Thomas here just makes things go real smooth. And it's essential that he's here. Having Scott here was amazing too. You know,
good tips.
I've learned a lot of good tips, and yeah, it was amazing.
Excellent. Scott, how did the surgery go for you today with the Megagen implants that was placed? We found one of the implants out, put another one back in. What was your take on it?
It was great. It was seamless. Like the doctor said, 9 implants in 2 hours, and it all has to do with the planning as well. I think from the team approach, from going from placement to at the lab all the way to here, really helps, and having you here, Thomas, is really helpful, and having a staff that's just rock stars makes the treatment just go so great, and the patient was just awesome.
Excellent.
So,
You
trooper, man.
give a little bit of credit.
It was a lot of fun being here.
Excellent.
That's for sure.
Excellent. And you learned something today, right?
I learn every time
Awesome.
I'm here.